Aluminum Mobile Scaffolding ISA402N. This video will show you step-by-step instructions how to assemble the scaffolding. These are the component parts of the scaffolding. Here, we assemble adjustable caster wheels to the frames. Now we fit horizontal bracing with yellow latches to join two frames together. Assemble cross bracing with blue latches as shown here. Here we assemble outriggers. This scaffolding comes with telescopic outriggers with serrated and tilted feet with polymer padding, which you can adjust the length on uneven ground. It is important to lock the wheels during assembling. It is also very important to lock the wheels all the time, except when moving the scaffolding. Now we are assembling the first platform. Make sure to keep the trapdoor side closer to the ladder frame. Platform gets locked in place with spring-loaded latches. When you are working at heights, it is very important to wear a safety harness and secure it to a suitable anchor point of the scaffolding. It is also important to wear a hard hat, steel cap boots, and high-vis vest. Here we assemble second-level regular frame. Make sure to join the two frames together with joining clip. Now assemble the second ladder frame as shown here. Again, use the joining clip. Keep assembling cross bracing with blue latches. Now we assemble the second platform. When you are going up the scaffolding, go internally on ladder frames. Trapdoor has a spring-loaded latch to make sure door is locked at closed position. Assemble guardrail frames. Make sure to lock guardrail frame to the scaffold frame with joining pin as shown here. Now we assemble horizontal bracing with yellow latches. Two lower bracings fits to guardrail frames, latches facing outwards so that trapdoor can be opened fully. Here we assemble the toe board. Toe board comes in 4 pieces. They clip them together at corners. This scaffolding comes with special type of platforms, which allows you to use our optimal scaffold joiner kit ISA402N to make 5.4 meter long mobile scaffolding. Now you have built your scaffolding. Do not modify this scaffolding as it can compromise the strength and stability. Do not ride on the scaffolding. If you are not sure of anything, contact Building Easy Limited.